You've probably seen my reviews on tomtoc gear. They make some of my favorite high quality but budget travel backpacks. These bags are large, they have an easy to pack duffel style opening with a huge main compartment. This style of bag works really well with packing cubes. They didn't have one that fit this bag perfectly, but I recently had a chance to test the set of packing cubes I designed to work with a Navigator travel backpack. I've had a chance to test these cubes out on a couple of trips so far. First off, the Navigator on a long weekend trip in the smaller 28-liter size. Then another trip with a different bag, a weekend trip to Portland. I brought the 8-liter cube along to test how well it worked with a different bag. First off, these cubes are sold in a set of 3, starting with the smallest 3-liter cube. There's a medium 8-liter clean dirty cube, and then a larger 10-liter compression cube. These two larger cubes have the same width and depth dimensions, so they're designed to fit in both sizes of the Navigator backpacks. On the longer trip I took these on was a car camping weekend. I brought the smaller bag and packed it out with these 2 cubes, but I also brought the larger 40-liter Navigator just so I could see how it worked with all these different styles. I'll show you how I packed the bags out and how well it worked, what I put in here, but first I just want to do a quick overview on these 3 packing cubes because they're all different sizes and different styles. The smallest cube, I used it for socks and underwear on my trip, but you can pretty much use it for anything. It's just a small, simple cube. I have it packed out like a toiletry kit right now. This cube also has a small top handle and 2 fabric loops if you want to convert it to a small sling. Next, this is the 8-liter clean dirty cube style. All these packing cubes are designed as kind of cube shaped, flat bottoms. This one opens from the top, quick open zipper. And you can see 3 side openings, so when you have it fully packed, it's gonna sit here so you can get your stuff out. Mesh front here, so it's slightly see-through and breathable. And the clean dirty cube feature has this side access zipper that's gonna open up. When the packing cube is full, it's just gonna look like nothing, but this fabric here is kind of loose. So basically it's designed clean dirty cube. When you are on a trip, take your clothes, use them. As they get dirty, you transfer them from one side into the other. I really like the design on clean dirty cubes just in general. These work really well, but the idea is as you travel, transfer your clothes from one side to the other, and your packing cube is always going to stay exactly the same size because it has the same amount of clothes in there, so it's going to pack into your backpack exactly the same way. Next cube in this lineup, compression cube. This one is 10 liters. And again, these have the same width and depth dimensions, so they're gonna fit in the backpacks exactly the same way. You just get the extra 2 liters from a difference in height. This has a very similar design to the clean dirty cube, mesh top, easy open zipper, with the only difference, instead of that clean dirty zipper side over here, this has a compression zipper. The compression zipper style on this bag basically has a wraparound zipper, goes around the bag entirely 360. This is gonna pop out. So what you're gonna do is pack the packing cube extra full, pack this entire thing full, and then cinch it down. Just run this zipper around here, and it's gonna help to squish all your clothes down. Compression cubes are nice because they let you squish more gear down into smaller space, especially helpful if you're trying to pack light, carry on, personal item only size, especially in a small bag like this 28-liter duffel. The weight on these is really nice, especially if you're trying to pack light, 42, 43 grams, about 1.5, 1.6 ounces on the small cube. Coming in at 106 grams on the medium cube, 3.7 ounces. And the 10-liter on my scale, 105 grams, which is also 3.7 ounces. So let me show you how I packed these bags out. The first trip I went on, it was just a long 4-day weekend. So I brought the smaller bag with just these 2 packing cubes and the small one packed with the socks and underwear. So like I said, these cubes have the same width and depth, though how they're designed to fit into the smaller bag is the flat bottom kind of in the middle. Rounded edges are gonna go towards the top and the bottom. And this width dimension is gonna make them both flush and the same height inside the bag. So the dimensions on these, when you pack them in here, it really does kind of take up the whole bag. It's a little bit of space on top, but not much, especially if you're packing this top zipper full. However, generally when you walk, you put this thing on as a backpack, the gravity is going to press this down. So you do actually have a little bit of space here on the top for a thin pouch or packing cube. So like I said, I was able to fit the 3-liter cube in here. I have this packed out like a toiletry bag. It's a little bit tight, but definitely fit in there fine. Tech pouch also, just something really slim. It's going to slide right in here on the top. Also works really well. And to show you how these fit in the larger 40-liter bag, again, flat side in the middle, these 2 rounded corners on the ends, mesh side zipper facing up. So these do have the same depth here. So when you put them in the bag, again, this is a 40-liter bag. So obviously you're going to have a little bit more room over here on the sides and quite a bit more room here on the top. However, because you do have more room in here, you can take this smaller cube and turn it. It's almost the same height as this one is wide. So a little bit thinner in this dimension, still not going to be sticking out of the top of the bag here. That'll give you a little bit of extra room here on the top, so you can put quite a bit more stuff over here than you can on the smaller 28-liter version. And then to just show you how much room you do have over here, on the website, they show these just having the smaller 3-liter packing cube in here, filling up the whole capacity. You actually do have quite a bit more room if you put the packing cubes in this way. So here's a light sweater. I have a sling packed out with some camera gear. And then I have the smaller packing cube packed out with my toiletry gear. And plenty of room for all that. So as far as style and design in these cubes go, again, they're very kind of cubey, square looking compared to a lot of packing cubes that are this more thinner rectangular style. So obviously this is going to make a huge difference on the style of bag that you can use these for. Smaller, thinner bags that take these smaller packing cubes aren't going to work with these big square packing cubes. However, you get a big open duffel bag like the Navigator, and these things are going to fit perfectly. So all in all, very impressed with these packing cubes. They're well made, they work great, love the sizes, and they're designed to fit perfectly inside the Navigator travel backpacks. My only criticism with these cubes isn't anything of the style and design. It's that I wish they were sold separately instead of only as a set. I like compression packing cubes, but for my packing style, I just really like having all my clothes take up the same amount of space, pack my bag the exact same way every single time. So I prefer the clean dirty cubes over the compression cube for the most part. I really just wish I could buy 2 of these instead of having to buy them in the set. So that's all I have for this quick review on this tomtoc packing cube set, 3-liter cube, 8-liter clean dirty cube, 10-liter compression cube. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. And again, thanks for watching.